The ocean has been around for billions of years, but how do we know what was happening in it way back when? Turns out there's this crazy cool thing called sedimentary DNA. See, over the eons, tiny marine organisms have been pooping out these little shells called foraminifera, and these shells, they're made of calcium carbonate, the same stuff that's in our bones. But unlike our bones, they're super tiny, like smaller than the width of a human hair, and they're also really tough, so they can survive being buried at the bottom of the ocean for millions of years. And because they're so small and so plentiful, scientists can use them to study ancient oceans, like this one. These forams are about 55 million years old, and they lived in the surface waters of the ocean. But as the planet started to warm up, their little shells started to dissolve. So as the ocean's gotten warmer, the amount of sediment DNA in the rocks on the seafloor has actually decreased. And by studying these sediments, scientists can actually rewrite ocean history. They can figure out, for example, how much the ocean's temperature has changed over the eons, as well as its chemistry and even its currents. Basically, all the stuff that is in our oceans today got there because of what was happening in the water long ago. And thanks to these tiny little shells, we can go back in time and find out.